To Guyana we go now, where at sports time, the Chris Gayle-led St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots were 94 for 3, chasing 192 to beat the Jamaica Tallawahs in their Caribbean Premier League playoff match at the Providence Stadium. Gayle was dismissed for 26 off 30 balls. Ish Sodi has taken 2 wickets to fall so far. Earlier, the Tallawahs posted 191 for 5 from their 20 overs. Centre-back Glenn Phillips brought up his second T20 century of his career, 103 of just 63 balls. He got support from Ross Taylor, who chipped in with 33 from 23 balls. Now, the winner of this game will take on the defending champions Trinbago Knight Riders and the third playoff qualifier on Friday in Trinidad. The winner will await the Guyana Amazon Warriors in the grand final on Sunday. Meanwhile, the Guyana Amazon Warriors secured qualification to their fourth CPL final with a nail-biting 2-wicket win over the Trinbago Knight Riders at Providence on a Tuesday night. Batting first, the Knight Riders started shakily, getting to 26 for 4 inside the first 6 overs. Darren Bravo and Colin Ingram then tried to repair the damage, adding 48 for the 5th wicket when Bravo fell for 24. A late rally from Dwayne Bravo with 22 and Kevin Cooper 15 not out then gave the Knight Riders a decent score of 122 for 7. Sohail Tanvir 2 for 38, Chris Green 2 for 8 and Rayed Emirates 2 for 22 were the main destroyers for the Warriors. In reply, the Warriors lost 3 wickets with only 29 runs on the board. Jamaica's Chadwick Walton then added 13 before being the 4th wicket to fall with a score on 52. It then became 52 for 5 when captain Chris Green went without scoring. However, Shafani Rutherford and Shimron Hetmeyer added 50 runs and brought the Warriors within touching distance of the win. But when they went one delivery apart, the Warriors looked desperate. But Sohail Tanvir with 10 not out and Romario Shepherd 13 not out ensured the win at 126 for 8.